Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover files deleted by mistake or because of partition damaged in Windows 10 by using any recover data recovery software. Okay, so for me to show you how this software helps us, I'm going to simulate 4 possible scenarios. First scenario, we have here some folders with wallpapers, and this folder, which is 1, we are going to be deleting simply with delete. Yes, so it went directly to recycle bin. Second folder, number 2, all of the files, I'm going to delete them with shift delete, which means they don't go to recycle bin. They are fully lost. If we go to recycle bin, we only see the files from the first folder. And now we will also empty the recycle bin. Okay, and this is the first part. These are files that we deleted from our hard drive. This is a drive, a thumb drive that's stuck in the USB port. So let's delete this, which is full of wallpapers. Yes, and it's deleting them all. Let it finish in background, and this is another USB drive with same wallpapers, and for this one we will fully delete the whole partition. To simulate a partition failure, I have started computer management, and we are on this drive, which is exactly H once again, and I will delete it. Yes, and now the whole partition is gone, and as you can see, we can no longer access this particular drive, so all the files on it are basically gone. Okay, now we go to anyrecover.com, link will be in the video description, and we download it for Windows. Download now, save and install. Yes, license agreement, I have read it that quickly, and install it. Yes, I do recommend you have this software pre-installed, because it's not a great idea to install a software on a drive where you just lost files, obviously, but we are installing it on C drive and I lost files simulated on D drive, so I'm not installing on the same drive in my situation. And the installation was successful, and I click on Start Now. Let's simulate the one when we just deleted the partition, and that one should be a 4 GB USB drive, which is this one. Yeah, 375, it's actually 4 GB. I'm not going to go into details. Yeah, that's it. And click on Start and scan. And we wait now, so be back when it finishes. And as you can see, it found 6.33 GB on a 4 GB USB drive. This is happening because it will also find really old files that were deleted a few years ago maybe, but it's not going to be able to recover them because those things are already overwritten. But the data from them partially is still there, so that is why it finds them. But for us, the newest files are relevant. They are JPEGs, if I could actually see them, and they should be right here. As you can see, if you double click on it, it will give you a preview. So this is quite handy. But let me try on the first ones that I think are actually ancient, honestly. It will probably not work. Or, yeah, it actually did work. Hey there. Yeah, weirdly enough. So that's great. Now let's not select all of them because it might take a long time. Let's just select a few of them and click on recover. And yes, obviously you should buy the software if you want to recover all of them, but it will allow us to recover 3 files even with a trial. But I think I clicked on 4, so let's recover 3 files. And it's asking me where to put them. Yeah, here it is, and they should be recovered. And here they are. So it recovered them from a fully deleted partition, once again, from this drive, which is inaccessible in any way you try. Let me show you again. This drive is gone, and it recovered our files. I have just entered the license code for 1-month plan, so you can now see how it recovers when you are fully registered. So, as you can see, we can go directly to the folder itself. So we have missing files from wallpapers folder. Okay, so by the quick scan at the beginning, it already found part of our files, and now it's doing a longer deep scan to find the rest. This deep scan will take a lot depending on the size of your disk. This is a 1 terabyte, but it's a really slow tiny laptop hard drive, so it's extremely slow basically. On an SSD, for example, it will be much faster. Anyway, let's go to file path, and the ones in folder summer, which obviously is empty for us, it already found all of them. Okay, and now let's see how we can recover the files that we deleted initially to recycle bin. So we check recycle bin, click on start, and wait for it to do quick scans. And it will do a quick scan for each of the drives that you have. You can see here it's doing for E, already did, for C, and we are waiting for the quick scan for D drive in our case, because that is where we had our files recycle binned. Okay, and here is it. Or here it is actually, but yeah, it will show us something like that, so it's gonna be a bit weird. So we better go to file type, photo, and JPEG, and you can see here Spring message. Yeah, these are our files that we deleted, and as always you simply check them and recover. Okay, now let's simulate recovering the data from the USB thumb drive. Check it right here. Start and wait for it to finish. So be back in a second. As you can see, scanning completed. I think I already clicked OK, so sorry about that, forgot to film. As you can see here, it found a lot of photos again, JPEGs, and it also found our deleted folder. Let's see, so G drive, as you can see, does not have that folder anymore. We deleted fully, but we have it here, and in the folder we have the subfolders. Yes, part of the name is lost because that happens when you delete files, but we don't care about part of the name, we care about the files. So simply hit recover, point it to where you want it to recover, and use a different drive to recover. Don't recover on the same drive so you are not overwriting lost files. And yeah, wait for it. And as you can see, it created our whole folders in here, and we have the pictures inside of them. And yeah, this little software does exactly what it says it does. So if you are in a pinch and you've lost your files, I recommend you attempt a recovery with any recover, and if it finds your files, yeah, get the full version and save them. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you my phone AnyRecover for sponsoring this video and making you aware of your software. It will be useful in case of problems. And as always, to my subscribers, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.